back to my channel. I'm Natasha, and today I created this monogram name vinyl sheet. These will all be cut out in vinyl and can be used for back to school supplies, whether it's your kids' books, lunch boxes, pencil cases. So I picked up a few items today from the dollar store, just so I can give you some examples on where you can use these vinyl monograms. So the first thing I have here is a binder, and it's a smooth surface, so this will fit perfectly. And here we have a pencil case, and this is a great material to lay your vinyl on. So that's an idea there. Also have a notebook, perfect for monogramming. And we have also a bigger spiral notebook if you have older children. This can go perfect right on the front. Spice it up. It's only $1. And once you put your monogram on it, the kids are going to be like, where did you get that from? That's super awesome. And check out this planner. I grabbed one for myself, of course, and I put my monogram on it. And as you see here, it's for this year. It's a school student monthly planner, and it has a lot of great information in here if you have a high schooler or a middle schooler. And I am going to put my daughter's monogram right here in the middle, which I will show you. A couple other things I got from the dollar store is these little bins, which are really cute because I use them over here in my cart. These are great for like pencil sharpeners, erasers, anything, paper clips, anything that the kids can think of. And right here is a pencil box. Normally, I was advised definitely getting a flat surface. I didn't realize that these were not flat. I don't know if you can tell. They kind of have like they're a little raised, but I'm still going to use it because she loves these things and she used these for like barrettes or like her doll toys. So we don't necessarily have to use this for school, but this is great for monogramming because if they take it to school or daycare, children always wants to hold them and use them, and then they never want to give them back, but their name is on it. So that's always good. So that was blue, and I also have this most of the same here in green, and I'm going to personalize all these items. So let's just briefly go over what we have here. A lot of these fonts were from a font app that I use, and this is for personal use here. This is for my daughter. And a couple of these fonts are fonts that I either downloaded from thefont.com or they were in my Silhouette or computer font list. So I'm going to go ahead and send this to our Silhouette Cameo 3 and cut this out. And we'll be right back to apply it to our school supplies. Now that the mat is loaded into the Silhouette, and this is a Silhouette Cameo 3. I've already checked all my cut lines, so we're going to go ahead and send. Everything looks perfect. I'm using glossy vinyl here. We're going to cut. So right now, we're going to go ahead and send. And because I have the auto blade in, it's going to adjust it automatically, so I don't have to do it. It happens sometime, but everything looks good. And now I'm going to go ahead and put the transfer tape on, which I am using contact paper. I use this all the time, especially for big projects like this. So I'm going to go ahead and put the contact paper down. All right, now that I have our transfer paper on, and this is contact paper I purchased at Walmart. This sheet is all ready to go. And it's always good to make sure everything is smoothed down. I am doing this with one hand, so this is just quickly to show you how I would do it. Just rub across, mainly on an angle. And my daughter is going to love this.